Peace and love, chosen one. So if you're interested in learning how to meditate, boom, this is the video for you. So what you want to do, you want to find you a comfortable spot, quiet spot. You know what I'm saying? Your room, somewhere in your house, somewhere, wherever you stay. So you want to either sit on the floor, lay down, or sit in a chair. When it comes to laying down, what I will warn you about is really easy to fall asleep. So I highly recommend either sitting on the floor or sitting in a chair. So what you want to do is have your spine upright. You know what I'm saying? And if you want, you can either do it without frequencies, listening to frequencies, or, you know what I'm saying, you can do it on your own, or you can listen to frequencies. What the frequencies I recommend is anything to do with the root chakra, the sacral, or the solar, because those are your three centers, your energy centers at the bottom. And a lot of energy gets clogged up right there, and it's not running through your body. So focus specifically on those energy centers. So what you want to do is when you go into the meditation, you want to go in, you want to start to control your breathing. You want to just feel your body go at ease, you know, keep controlling your breathing. And you want to really focus in on that blackness within, because what that blackness is the unified field. That's the universe. We're one with the universe. So the more you can tap in with that, the more separate you get from matter. Matter is, you know what I'm saying, the physical body. You lose your senses. You become no one. So keep focusing until you finally feel yourself go into that trance and your pure consciousness. So what you want to do at that point is put your awareness at those three energy centers that I named: the root, the sacral, and the solar. You want to specifically focus on those centers because a lot of energy gets clogged up right there, and you want to flood it with gratitude. You want to start to just be so uplifting, think uplifting thoughts like, man, I'm so beautiful, I'm so alive, I'm so wise. Name every affirmation that you can. And what that'll do is get those, it's all space, you know what I'm saying? Space, it's all space within. So you want to focus on that space. So all the energy is literally going to start to rise. So once you get in control of that energy, you can start to rise that energy all through your energy centers, going through your body, all the way to the chakras that's outside of the physical body. You know, and when you get to your heart, you want to really specifically focus right there, like on uplifting, because heart coherence is the key. Heart coherence to brain coherence is when your creativeness comes out. But family, that's how you really meditate right there.